Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is the last video of the branding series that I'm doing. Um, what this website is called Pic Monkey, and it does pretty much the same as all the other stuff that I showed you, but this is my favorite because I'm in control of what I put on here, and it's a lot simpler to use than the other ones. But you just hover over design, and you click on Facebook cover, and this is absolutely free too, so you don't have to pay for anything. And to the left right here is just the tools that you use to edit. Right here is pretty much the color that you want your cover photo to be, and it can be pretty much anything. I'm going to go with green. And to upload your picture of yourself or anything that you have, you click on the butterfly, which is overlays, and you click apply to get the color, the canvas color. And pretty much you just go to my computer at the top. Scroll down and get your picture. It should pop up in a second. Alright. Oh, here it is. Alright, so here's your picture, guys. All you do is you blow it up by taking the edges and pulling them out. And hold on a second. Trying to computer's freezing a little bit. Alright. Just take it and go down towards on the edge. Then you can just like move it over. And to get my background out, all I'm going to go to is this little thing over here where it says overlay, where my mouse is, and hit eraser. And as you move it up the scale, it increases in size and decreases. So I'm just going to go with this one. And you can delete your background this way. Just come up to the top. And you want to get all the corners without messing up your image. Like that. And if you make a mistake like this and cut off your head or something like that, just come back to the brush right here and go back over your spot, and it pops right back up. So that's pretty much it, guys. And make sure you get all the edges really good. And if you mess up, just click on the brush. And to add your text, just come right here where the T is, and you can just add your text. The computer's acting really slow, so just give me time, guys. All right, I had to hit add text. Sorry about that. And you just type in anything you want to. Social media elite marketing, and that's pretty much it. And you could change the colors right here. And I guess you guys get the idea. But you could change the colors right here, and that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you check out the other videos I have posted up and take massive action. I'll talk to you guys later.